Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW A70, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and in here you'll find battery saver toggle. Once you locate it, you can simply tap on it. It will give you a quick message on the changes that will be applied when this is enabled. So to extend battery life, battery saver will turn on dark theme, turn off or restrict background activities, some visual effects, and other features like Hey Google. So let's select turn on, and there we go, it is now running. Additionally, as you probably can see, it did also lower the brightness, which wasn't stated, and it will also disable Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used. That will result in you not getting any kind of notifications that are internet reliant, so keep that in mind. Now, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can either, I believe, plug your device in for charging and then this will turn it off, or just find the toggle once again, tap on it, and everything will go back to functioning normally. So, that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.